Friends, good morning. Welcome to Mytre's kitchen. So today recipe is kid special. Today we are gonna do pasta. The recipe is spicy paneer pasta. The main ingredient is of course our paneer cubes along with green pepper, sliced onions, tomato, garlic, ginger along with our pasta. So this is a variety that I have taken. Along with the set ingredients we will be using our red chili sauce, green chili sauce along with tomato sauce and salt. So let us get into our pasta recipe, which is spicy paneer pasta. So friends, the first step to do our spicy paneer pasta is the water is getting boiled. Along with this, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of refined oil so that the pasta will not be sticky. Now we are going to add our favorite pasta into it. So let it get boiled for around 2 to 3 minutes and strain the water and keep it aside. So now let us add the pasta. Our pasta is getting boiled. We are just going to mix spice to our paneer cubes. So add the paneer in a plate. Add the required amount of salt. Along with our chili powder. And mix it and keep it aside for 10 minutes so that all our masala gets into our paneer. And while frying the paneer, it will give a very nice taste. So put the required amount of chili powder and mix our paneer nicely so that it gets coated well into our chili powder and our salt, and keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. You can find our pasta is nicely getting boiled. So now I'm going to off the stove. It's boiled, and drain the water and keep it aside. On another pan, just going to add around 2 tablespoons of refined oil. So now we are going to fry our spiced paneer cubes into it. Paneer cubes are nicely fried unless it is golden brown. So we have kept it aside with masalas marinated for around 15 minutes. So friends, you can find our paneer is nicely fried to golden brown. The more the paneer gets fried, the taste will be yummy. So you can find our paneer is nicely tossed. So keep this in another bowl. And now let us see what is next. Taken the same pan, I am again adding around 2 tablespoons of refined oil. And now we are going to fry all our vegetables one by one. So starting with garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic cloves. Fry it nicely. As the garlic cloves is getting tossed, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger. Now we need to add our sliced onions. Add the salt carefully because we have already added salt to our paneer while frying. So add the salt after checking. We will add now so that the onions get cooked quickly. So now we are going to add our green pepper. We can add any pepper that's available. It will look more colorful. I've got green pepper. So I'm just going to add green. So as the green peppers are nicely getting tossed, we are going to add our tomato as well. So now we are going to add our tomatoes, 1 number. It looks so colorful with a combination of green, red and pink. So now let us wait for 2 minutes. Let all the vegetable gets cooked. Then let us see what is. So friends, at this stage I am going to add 2 tablespoons of green chili sauce, or you can add the red chili, whichever you prefer, along with 1 tablespoon of light soya sauce. So mix everything gently. Friends, since it is our Indian style pasta, so now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of cumin powder. You can find all our sauces are nicely getting tossed. Find our cumin powder along with the sauces is nicely gelled. At this stage, I'm going to add our cooked pasta. You can find the pasta is non-sticky because we added because we added oil while boiling it, so it's nicely come out. So just add our pasta into the vegetables and mix it well and close the lid and cook for 2 minutes. So you can find our pasta is almost done. It's nicely cooked along with our vegetable, well blended. At this stage, I'm going to add our golden fried paneer cubes into it. So mix it well, and our yummy kid special is ready to be displayed, hot and be served. Here goes our lovely kid special, which is spicy paneer pasta. I'm just garnishing with some mozzarella cheese. So have it served hot. It will be very cheesy and yummy. So please do try this recipe. So watch my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel. We'll come up with another yummy recipe shortly. Happy cooking, stay safe, bye bye.